gotta go like. It's not raining though, is it? No. I'm gonna just hit by lightning.
I really hope. Did you see it? You can't see it, I don't think. Stop moving. Here we go.
So,
I know, it sounded like it was gonna be. Oh, where? You can't hit the lightning like that.
oh my god, I'm gonna get hit by lightning. Yeah. This is dangerous.
It's like right in the way.
Come on.
It'll go. Watch as it goes.
Okay,
Oh,
okay, but I'm gonna. Yeah, I have a bad feeling about this. Standing out here, you get hit by lightning, Joy.
hit by lightning, Joy.
Come on, the tree is like right in the way. You've got to be kidding. Okay, try weighing it now.
Big one, big one, big one.
It's getting there. No! No, never can put this on YouTube.
Allie, it's not.
Holy crazy!
Come on, thunder, lightning. I can see ghosts.
Yeah.
What is that? What is that?
Dad's finger?
No, seriously. What
Oh, I have no idea. Oh, okay. Daddy, stop it!
I think I might be on this way. Okay, I'm hearing noises.
I know you, I like you.